quick trip down to Marshall's to see what they had and new for home decor, see if they had any fall items. And they had these really nice sunflower pieces. So they have a few wreaths. This one has like the little beads. We saw something like that at Home Goods. But $20 for that, $25 for this one right here. They have little decor pieces that you can put around, $15, different prices, but all around that same range. So you can grab a bunch of those. They still do have like patio furniture, different items like that. They have this little tray that I thought was cool because you can take it off of the little stand that is on, fold that up, and put that away. I like the little stain on it too. This right here is a stool, so you can put this at your counter and stuff like that. $60. I'm not sure if we saw this one before. It's like a little faux leather. These outdoor chairs, they are on clearance now. You save a couple of dollars on those, so they are down to $64, but they have a big base on them. These right here, another little outdoor chair. They had a few of these. These are the Nautica ones. Sometimes you can find these type items in a set, but these were sold singular. So they had, like I said, a few of those, and those are $50 right now. Those weren't marked as clearance. These tables, we see these a lot, but $100 for those. So you can put stuff underneath because that wood top comes up on those right there. These two pieces right here is the same piece, but these two, if you have a big space and you can use these as side tables, these would be great. They have that like distress finish, $100 for those, and it has like a big size drawer, and then you can store stuff underneath too. These decor pieces, I'm not sure where we saw these at, but we saw these someplace. But just to show them again, so it's like the little metal wall decor, and then you can put them in a line, you can divide them up, but $15 for those right there. Lamps. So if you are setting up your home office, going to school, you need some stuff for your study area, $25 for those lamps right there. These are the chairs and stools that they had at my Marshall's right now. These look like regular size stools, but they say they counter height, and you'll see they have another one that looks just like it that is a bit higher, so I don't know, but these right here, $40. That one has like that boucle sherpa whatever type finish. These are the ones that look like those, but these are higher, so, and these are the bar stool size. So they had both of those. This is just a really nice look. It's a Nautica piece, $150 for that right there. A lot of these, they didn't have the complete set too. They just had like one, but you can go around different Marshalls and find this right here. It comes with those little baskets, little tables, so $100 for that. These we see a lot, but just if you're ever looking, you can always find these Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and they have outlets and stuff, so you can charge your stuff without having to run it across because you'll plug it in the table. They had a few different nice, it's not picking up the vividness of the blue, but that one was $250. And then they had this one right here. They had two of these, so $60 for this one right here. But it's like that pretty royal blue, but in that velvet like material. So if you're looking for like seating area chairs, stuff like that, you might want to grab those. These are $130 for those right there, and they all have different type details in them. But Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, you can always try to find a nice statement chair. This little footstool I thought was pretty. Just the colors and it, like that white was just real nice against that wood there. And it was a little tiny one too. So $20 for that right there. They have a few other different options. These little side tables, something nice and simple. So it has like that shiny gloss finish, that lacquer, I don't forget what you call it, but and then it has the wood legs on that, so $40 for those right there. This chair, I'm liking this look. I've been seeing a few pieces like this. I like this look with the wood on the side. $130 for that right there. They have a lot of bedding that they're putting out, like my Marshalls was putting out a lot of stuff. This is a twin, but I like the texture and stuff on it. $40, so it's the whole set you get. So you get the sham, the cover, and all that and stuff. These side tables, I thought these were nice. They have like that cute little handle on them. $60 for those, and you have the drawer and you have the piece on the bottom, so you can put something down there if you want, like a cute piece of decor, books maybe, something like that. They had a few of these right here. This one was scuffed though, but $40 for this. So just always check too, because these are out on the floor, so a lot of times they can get scuffed and all marked up. This shelf right here is $60, so it had a few different shelves you can store. They had some things on clearance, but the label was a bit worn off, so I can't tell you how much they were, but they had a few pieces. These I always love. They always have these like come in and go out. But $80 for these. I have one of something similar to this that I got from Home Goods, but I got mine on clearance for like next to nothing. But it is just a really nice piece. This one, another one on clearance, and this one has a double drawer to it. $80 for that right there. And then you see this one is just a little bit taller than the other one, but it has the double drawers too. $100 for that one right there. So yeah, they always have a lot of those. I forgot what the style is called though. Then of course, like I said, bedding, they're putting out a lot of bedding. So this is a king sheet set, pure linen. It felt nice. This one was on clearance too, so you can save a few dollars on that one. $79. And then they had a bunch of other bedding options too. Like I said, they had UGG, they have DKNY, they have just all kind of different brands. This queen set right here was on clearance, so you save like $5. $24 on that one right there. And but then the other one wasn't on clearance, but it was cheaper. But they have different colors, different things. Colored glass, they are coming out with a lot of colored glass options and stuff. I like the shape of this one right here. $8, and then they had it in a few different colors too, so you can always play around with these if you like different shades, different things. These, okay, so these are like what, crystals or something, but I've been seeing these a lot. I even saw a big wall decor piece with these right here, but these are between $8 and $10. I want to know, like, do they have like do they do anything, or they just for like decor? But they have magnifying glasses, $10 for those. A few coral pieces, and if you ever check out the high-end stores, these coral pieces are a lot. But that one was $15. This one right here I thought was so pretty. This one was $15 too. Just a little trinket box, and it was just really pretty. Then they have like just simple modern pieces of decor. So I like the arch in this, just the way it was. $10 for that right there. And a lot of times you can find a lot of those type shape now. This little colored glass here, so you can pair that with the other one. $20 for that one. This, another nice shape. These give me, with that like distressing look, it gives me like a Pottery Barn vibe. These girls, I thought they were cute. I think they're vases too. So $13 for the larger size one, and then like the smaller one was $8. So those are cute, and those kind of give me like a Anthropologie, Urban Outfitters. Like you would find that someplace like that. They're putting out a few, I guess, like leftover Halloween fall decor pieces. So they had these skeleton heads, which I thought were nice in different colors. $13 for those. And then they had this big one right here that like lights up and stuff. That one was cute too, and you can grab that one for $25. Like I said, they had just like a few pieces scattered about. These I always think are cute, so anytime I see a like hear no evil, speak no evil, see no evil thing, I think it's cute. So they have the little monkeys, $6 for those right there. These I think are cute because it's like that play on that designer thing. So $8 for that. A few more Halloween pieces that they had out. So they had the bowl for $15. The little ghost stacked up decor piece, $15. Not a whole lot at my Marshalls right now. I've seen a lot of people that have like a lot of stuff. I can't wait till mine puts out a bunch of things, because I love like holiday decor. But this little piece right here, so you hang this and it has like the little metal details and all that, and the little bells. I think those are always pretty. They have mushroom decor pieces right now, $8, and they have them in bigger size too. Always with the artwork. They have these two pieces I thought were cute, because I like these type pieces because it looks like something that somebody actually painted. $40 for that, and it gives like a vintage look too. And I like line art. $13 for that one right there, and it was cute. They put them both side by side because they know I like those pieces. This right here, I think it's just a little side table or maybe a plant stand. I don't know, but $35. I like the way it was shaped. I like that it spinned around. I like the little details in the bottom right there, so you could put stuff there and you like it wouldn't fall out, if that makes sense. This for a narrow space, so like maybe on the side of your toilet, in between your cabinets, different things like that. $20 for that right there. That I thought was cool. Then they have like the office stuff. These you can use as like letter holders. So $5, and they have them in cute little letters. Home Goods had some pieces like that too, but like in like shapes. These, okay, They have a computer on theirs, but every time I see these, I think of like when your grandparents used to have the food trays to eat at the sofa and stuff like that. But $30 for that. These side tables right here I thought were nice. $30 for those right there. And you can see they had a few of those little tables, but you can use them either way. You can use them for your computer or to eat at your sofa. And then lamps, of course, they have a good variety of lamps. That looks like a mirror that we just saw. So $20 for that one. This one, I think we saw something like this before. I just can't remember if we saw it here. But I like the way the glass looks, that crackled glass look. I like that a lot. They didn't have a price on that one though. And then the lamp next to it, I like the details on that. You can see even the little wood piece on the pull there, the details in the base right there, and $20. And then it has the little thing up top. $20 is not bad at all. They had a Schmig blender. I don't know if you like Schmig. They have like a retro look, so $200. A lot of times when you shop like Williams Sonoma, places like that, they're like $300, and that one was a pretty color. This because I'm doing fruit infused water, like detox water. So I think that'd be cool. So $17, because now I'm just putting everything together and nothing is divided. So I'm wondering if you get less pits when you do it like that. But they have the cups and stuff. For outside, still they have a few of those options. This is great for starting out because I feel like you can just really plop this in a drawer. I'm not 100% sure because of the handles on top, but it looks low enough that you can just plop it in the drawer with all the cutlery, and it had a decent amount of cutlery in it too. $50 for that right there. And then they have other cutlery sets and stuff too. The reusable straws, I always wish they come with the cleaner and everything like that. I always wish they just sold the pack in one color though, because that's a lot of colors all at once. But $4, $6, depending on how you get it. They have the metal ones too that you can grab for $4, and those come with the little silicone tops on them. And then these, I thought about grabbing these for my dog because it's hot and she drinks a lot of water, so just so it can I think it refills itself. I don't know if anybody has used that. Let me know. Do they refill themselves when it gets like a little empty? These bowls and plates, can you see like the little detail, like the texture in it? And then the colors are really pretty. $5 just to make a nice place setting too. $5 for the other kind of bowls. So I think these are both bowls, what have you, but just different shapes. This is a cute little serving tray. So it has the different little compartments, the little wood handle on it. $10. I thought that was pretty. That'd be pretty, especially now for when the entertaining is going to start for the holiday. I've been seeing a lot of these little bowl sets. So $8 for these. You see they had a ton of different prints. I thought it was cool. Okay, so I like these little sets with the noodle holders and stuff like that. So $10, but you get a set of two now. So that's like $5 each. It comes with the chopsticks. Little spoon rest. I thought the black and white was cute. $5 for that. These, I've been seeing a lot of little iridescent pieces. So these containers right here, $6. And you can find those a lot of times in different sizes. Dollar Tree has some of those right now too. This little bowl I thought was cute. Just, I like those. It looks like antique too, these type prints too. But $6 for that one right there. This, I always think a mug with a top is cute. $13 for that one right there, and doesn't keep your food your stuff hot longer. They had Mother's Day leftovers, $15 for that one right there. They had these cute tote bags, $10 for each of these, and they were a good size, and they looked sturdy too. So they had a few different prints at my Marshalls on those right there. Another cute mug. This gave me like a Ray Dunn feel, but it was a Disney one. So this is like a Peter Pan one, another one with a little top on it. So I thought that was cute. Just, I love a good mug anyway. Then of course they always have the wood stuff, and then these fruit trays. I have a fruit tray like this in my, like a produce tray in my house. I thought this one was nice because of the gold and the black together on that. They have different ones, different shapes. That one, $17. It has the big bowl at the bottom and smaller bowl at the top. Then if you don't like the other color combo, you can get it all black, $13. But I like the black and gold one together. But they have like a ton of options to store your produce. They also have ones that you can put on the ground. This I didn't get I was waiting for that to come off. It didn't. So I thought you put something in there, but maybe that's something different that I don't know about. But yeah, so they have, food storage. We saw a lot of that. I always like to take a look at the picture frames because they have some really nice picture frames, and they'll carry designer brand picture frames. And a lot of times, if you go to places like West Elm, different places and stuff, I usually wait for their picture frames to go on clearance. But you can just go down to Marshalls or TJ Maxx or Home Goods, someplace like that, and grab you some really nice picture frames at a discounted price and save yourself a lot of money. But yeah, that's what my Marshalls had today.